Initiating transit sequence. Pod integrity check confirmed. Dye uptake is exceeding target parameters. Note saturation levels.
Excellent yield. Begin final rinse preparations immediately.
Ensure complete removal of all surface chemicals before drying.
The spray pattern on nozzle 12 is inconsistent. Requires fine-tuning before sterilization cycle begins. Data point collected. Ensure the laser detects any surface deviation above 0.05 microns.
The color bonding is uniform. Logging data and proceeding to the drying phase.
Temperature stabilized. Commence drying cycle. Check for moisture pockets.
Pattern alignment looks perfect. Minimal shrinkage after drying.
System confirms batch 7B humidity levels are stable. Ready for finishing.
All right, proceeding to finishing. steady. That heat application creates the final sheen on the surface.
Check the pressure on that third nozzle. Ensure maximum coverage on the reverse side.
Maintaining consistent pressure, the surface needs maximum compression for the next stage.
Are the rollers maintaining the programmed PSI?
We need consistent finish.
Pattern registration is precise. Excellent resolution on the stripes.
The texture replication is consistent across this batch. Note for inventory control.
Ensure all edges are clean. Minimal waste on the contour cut.
The pattern match needs to be exact. Maintain the line integrity on every piece.
The automated collection is running at 98% efficiency today.
Good waste management. Coating density reading nominal. Moving to curing stage.
Final analysis confirms 99.9% texture replication. Proceed to polishing.
Polish complete.
The surface is perfect for cutting.
Even out the surface texture. We need that perfect liquid shine.
Pressure is at the optimal level for permanent adhesion. Check separation point.
Checking batch 8D for consistent roll tension. Looks good, logging results.
Ensure complete cleansing of residual chemicals. The surface must be pristine.
Heat sensors confirming optimal drying temperature of 180 degrees Celsius. Speed adjusted.
Final moisture readings approaching 0. Next batch ready for surface treatment.
Logo placement is centered. Maintain alignment for the next roll. Full gloss achieved. Scanning confirms no surface anomalies.
The surface is flawless, ready for final quality check and storage.
Curing temperature is holding steady. Seal integrity confirmed.
The high-pressure wash is removing all last stage residue. Ready for the next phase.
Ensure the gradient is not affected by the pressure. Check color bleed resistance.
Laser path optimized. Remove the waste material immediately after cutting.
Separate the blue style from the pink style. We need accurate counts for final assembly. Final surface scan clear. Ready for folding and storage.
Batch 5A is full. Move the load to the primary storage bay immediately.
Add the blue pigment slowly. We need the deep oceanic shade for this collection.
The robotic cycle time is maximized. Ensure the dwell time in the red bath is correct for the shade.
Final pigment runoff clear. Good color lock.
The laser cuts the primary shape. Use the shears for final detailed contouring on the spots.
Stitching must be perfectly straight. We are joining the main body panels.
The magenta thread tension needs adjustment. Ensure the crown structure is perfectly defined.
The finished piece. Flawless construction and shine.
Keep the tension consistent on the leather pull. Every shoe must meet the luxury standard.
The polish on the buckle is immaculate, ready for final packing.
Handle action is smooth. Lock mechanisms fully operational.
Ensure the seam alignment is perfect on the curve. Wiping down the gold foil edge.
Follow the template line precisely. The finger seams must be durable.
Flawless seams. These are ready for dispatch.
Ensure no creases on the cylindrical wrap. The branding must be centered.
The gold foil adhesion is complete. Check definition on the small script.
Color sorting accuracy is at 99%. Ready for final waste consolidation.
Welcome everyone to the final showcase. We are proud to present this exquisite collection of high-gloss tiger skin products.